Hello YouTube family, it's me Milan and welcome to my channel Technological Facts. I have made this video because many people still have doubt in whiteboard animation. So in this video you will learn about how you can make whiteboard animation videos in your own Android smartphone without Video Scribe. Also, people have doubt in how they can do voiceover in whiteboard animation videos. So we are going to talk on that topic in this video also. That's why watch till the end, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press that bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos at first. So without any wasted of time, let's start the video. So friends, to make whiteboard animation videos, first of all, you should download an application named Doodlify. You will find this application easily in Play Store, or I will give you a link in my description box. Click the link and install that application. So friends, after installing the application, open it and the app's interface will be like this. On the top you can see here there are two options. One is project and another is movies. Projects means you can edit the videos which are already saved, and movies means you can share the videos which are saved. Okay, so let's begin on to our tutorial that how you can make whiteboard animation videos in your own Android mobile phone. So friends, to make whiteboard animation videos, first of all you should click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. Here you can name your movie. For example, I want to name my movie as YouTube. And here you can select a resolution for your video. For example, if you are making a video for YouTube, then you must select a resolution of YouTube. Likewise, if you are making videos for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook or Vimeo, then you must select a particular resolution for your video. Here I want to make a video for YouTube, so that I will choose the resolution of YouTube. After selecting a resolution for your video, you should click on the Create Movie option. After clicking on Create Movie option, you will be redirected to the working area of this application. So friends, from now on you have to watch this video carefully. Okay, the real work starts from here. So here you can see the first option is of clip arts. For example, if you need any images in your video, then you can select your matching images from here. You can also select your own images from your gallery. To do that, just click on Add Image option and just select the images that you want to insert. For example, I want to insert the subscribe button, so it will be inserted in your video. After inserting the images or the text in your video, then you will be able to see a box in your right hand side. These are the settings of the images or the text you have just inserted. The first setting is of delay. It means that you want your picture be drawn after how many seconds. For example, I want to draw my picture after 5 seconds, then I will set this setting for 5 seconds. And if I play my video, then my picture will be drawn after 5 seconds, as you can see here. Likewise, you can set your own delay. But by the time, I'm not going to set this one. So our another option or setting is of duration. It is the timing of the image or text. For example, if I set this setting for 6 seconds, then and if I play my video, then my picture will be ready within 6 seconds. Likewise, if I set this duration for 1 second, then my picture will be ready within 1 second. So likewise, you can set your own timing according to your video. So our another setting is of size. You can increase or decrease the size of your image from here. And the next setting is of elevation. This setting is like useless. I have tried this setting in my many videos, but this setting makes no sense. That's why you can leave this setting also. our another option is of text. Right under the option of clip arts, you can see here there is the option of text. If you click on that, then you will be able to insert any of your text in your video. For example, I want to insert my channel name here in my video. So what you have to do is just enter the text you want to insert and click on insert button. Then your text will be inserted in your video, and also you will be able to see a box in your right hand side. I have already mentioned about that. And on the top of your mobile screen, you will be able to see one another box, which includes the setting of your text which you have just inserted. So the first setting is of fonts. You can change your text fonts from here, and the second setting is of color. You can select your own color of your text from here. And the third setting is of size. You can increase or decrease the size of your text from here. And as for your kind information, you cannot make changes to your text size from here, from this option, because this option is only used when you are increasing or decreasing the size of your clip arts or images. So another option is a background color. You can set your own background color from this option. To do that, just click on this option and select your own color which you want as your background. So, and click on OK, and your background color is all set. Likewise, you can also change your writing hand. To do that, just click on hand icon, and here you can select your own writing hand. And now another option is of video layers. If you click on that, then you will be able to add as much as video layers as you wish. If you click on plus icon, then the video layers will be added automatically. And here you can see another option is of play button. It will play the video that you have edited. Likewise, I had told you that I will tell you how you can do voiceover in your own whiteboard animation videos, right? So here it is. You should click on the music icon here, and here you will be able to see two options. One is music track and another is voiceover. If you want, then you can also add music track in your video, but by the time we are talking about voiceover. So to do voiceover, first of all, you should create a whole video according to your script. Then if you want to do voiceover, then click on the mic. Click on the mic and start your recording. Start recording your voice. Okay. So and if you don't like your recording and want to delete it, then you can just simply click on the delete icon. Then it will be deleted, and you can also try again. You can just imagine that all the features of a paid application are in this application. So why not to download it and try for once? And I had provided you this video, so don't forget to like this video and share this video among your friends who are confused in whiteboard animation and who want to make whiteboard animation videos. Okay. So at last, to save your movie, just click on this icon and then name your movie, and then click on make movie option, and then it will take a few minutes or seconds to render your movie, and then your movie will be saved, as you can see here. And you can also play your movie. It is mixing audio, and here you can see here my video has been rendered and my video has been saved. So likewise, you can save your movie and make whiteboard animation videos. So how is this video? If you found this video a little bit helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video and share this video among your friends so that they will be also get rid of their confusion about whiteboard animation videos. Okay, and don't forget to leave a comment about your thinking about this video. Okay, and if you enjoy watching this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. So yeah, this much for today. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.